when you buying a French door or garden door, and with a sliding door or sliding screen, and you would prefer to have both doors open, it's kind of losing sense to have both slabs or doors operational. For that reason, you may need to consider retractable screen. So as you can see, the clearance here, sorry about this area, it's just we at the factory, and let's say the doors open inside, so inside of the house is there. So then you have a retractable screen. So it's open and close, and closing on the magnets, as you see it. When you also can open it. Okay, then you can keep one side fixed, and it's just a little in here, in there, right? And then you can just add that, open this part. So when you have retractable screen operable with both sides, it's much more convenient. It's hidden in the tube on the left and the right side, running on the frame. It's easy to install, but we will take care of installation as well for you. Thank you, and thank you for watching Trust Building.